Don't turn on any AC before doing these steps, or later you'll pay for it. First, pressure test. We use OFN, oxygen-free nitrogen, and pressurize the system to 30 bar. If the pressure drops, you have a leak somewhere in the copper line or connections. Most installers rush this step. That's why many AC systems leak gas later. After pressure testing, we wait.
3 hours later.
Pressure is still stable. No leaks. Now release the nitrogen and start vacuuming. Vacuum removes air and moisture from inside the system. If moisture stays inside, it can damage the compressor and reduce cooling performance. We vacuum this for 2 hours.
Two hours later.
Vacuum complete. Now release refrigerant gas into the system. MCB on. Rotary isolator on. AC startup. This is how proper AC installation should be done. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like my installation. If you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe my YouTube channel to watch more video.